Most people miss what makes this car special. It's not the aggressive styling, it's not the big screens. It's the fact that Kia basically figured out how to clone an SUV's cargo space into a compact hatchback that costs under 25 grand. Here's what nobody tells you. The 2026 Kia K4 Hatchback has 59 cubic feet of cargo room with the seats down. That's almost identical to small SUVs like the Kia Soul. But wait, it gets weirder. This thing is 11 inches shorter than the sedan version, making it perfect for tight city parking. Yet somehow it still has more rear headroom than the sedan and class-leading legroom in the back. Physics don't normally work like that. You've got nearly 40 inches of rear legroom in a hatchback that's easier to park than a Civic. Most compacts make you choose between cargo space or passenger comfort. The K4 just said no to that rule. Behind the rear seats, you get 22 cubic feet of space. That's more than most sedans offer in their entire trunk. And the tech package feels stolen from a luxury car. Almost 30 inches of combined screen real estate across the dashboard. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard on every trim, every single one. You also get over-the-air updates, so your car's software stays current without dealership visits. Digital Key 2.0 lets you unlock and start the car with your phone or smartwatch. But here's where it actually gets fun. The GT Line Turbo packs a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine, making 190 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque. That's paired with an 8-speed automatic and a sport-tuned suspension. It's not going to embarrass a hot hatch, but it's quick enough to surprise people who think all Kias are boring. The base 2-liter engine puts out 147 horsepower, which sounds modest until you remember this car weighs less than most crossovers. Fuel economy should land around 30 city, 40 highway for the base engine. Now here's the part most reviews won't tell you. Kia only offers 3 trims for the hatchback: EX, GT Line, and GT Line Turbo. No base LX model like the sedan gets. That means even the entry hatchback comes loaded with features most brands charge extra for. Blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, all standard. The GT Line adds exclusive sparkling yellow paint, 2-tone seats with GT Line embossing, and larger wheels. GT Line Turbo throws in highway driving assist 2, surround view monitor, and Harman Kardon premium audio, and it still starts around 25 grand for the base hatchback. Compare that to a Honda Civic hatchback that starts near 26,000 or a Mazda 3 hatch that climbs even higher. The K4 undercuts them while matching or beating their tech and space. Plus, you get Kia's 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. That's double what most competitors offer. So yeah, this is the hatchback that makes crossovers look overpriced. And speaking of surprises, next time we're diving into a luxury sedan that costs less than most loaded midsize SUVs, but drives like it's worth twice the price. You won't want to miss that one. Drop a comment if you'd actually pick this over a small SUV. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.